how to we can find out approximate values. See, root values, Nana. For example, root 36. Root 36 means you are saying 6. Root 49 means 7. 64. Root 8. So this and all you were saying exactly. Root 36 means x. Root 49 means 7. Root 64 means 8. This and all exactly you were saying. Okay, but they will ask root 36 point. For example, one problem is there. Root 36.6. What is the approximate values? Root 49.8. What is the approximate values? Root 64.5. What is the approximate values? So exactly root values means you were saying 1 square 1, 2 square. Okay, 4 root value 2, 9 root value 3, 16 root value 4 and all. But here 36.6, 49.8 after point also approximate values. What is the root? That is called by approximations. That is called by approximate. Sir, only square will ask. Some cases they will ask 36 whole power 3. Some cases they will ask 36 whole power 2 by 3. Okay, what is the square of the root values? Means how to we can find out. So here you can use whatever the given values. For example, 36.6 is asking what is the approximate values. When is given in these values, okay, so that is root x. That is y is equal to let root x. What is the x value, sir? 36.6. Every problem y. Sir, some cases they will ask 36.6 whole power 2 by 3. Means here y is equal to x power 2 by 3 can write. Depending on square means square root, power 2 by 3 means power 2 by 3. Let y is equal to. So now here both sides differentiation with respect x. So here dy by dx is equal d by dx of root x. D by dx of root x. So dy by dx is equal root x means what can write, sir? 1 by 2 root x. Here one formula is there in textbook. What is the formula, sir? Delta y is equal x plus delta x plus delta x minus root x. This is problem. Every formula, nana, every problem, this is the formula. Sir, here dy, here delta y, denoted by dy only delta y. Don't confuse. Delta y only dy, delta x only dx. Delta x only dx. Okay, don't confuse. Delta y means dy, delta x means dx. Okay, now you were got it. So now here what can write, sir? Delta y you want to find out. Okay, so now here delta y is equal to what can write, sir? Here in this equation So dy is equal 1 by 2 root x into dx, you can write into root x. So now here x is equal to what is the value, sir? Exactly value delta x is equal to 0.6. Why, sir? See here, what is the meaning, Nana? X plus delta x. So x plus delta x means what you can write, amma? 36 plus 0.6 means what you can write, sir? 36.6 only, no? Yes. So that's why x means exactly square root value plus delta x means after approximate value you can write. After approximate value you can write. So now here see, Nana, delta y is equal x plus delta x means 36 plus 0.6 minus root x means what you can write, sir? 36.6. 36.6. Sorry, root x means 36. So now here in this value you can write here means delta y plus root 36 is equal, this is what you can write, sir? 36.6 you can write. Yes. So here delta y means already you are find outing dy. Already I told delta y means dy. So dy means here what you can write, sir? 1 by 2 root x into dx plus 36. So root x means what you can write, Nana? Root x means 36. 1 by 2 into root 36 into dx. Dx means you can write here dx plus 36. So 36 square root value 12. 1 by 12 into dx plus 36. 36 means 6 you can write. 6 you can write. Okay, once you can copy amma this one. Still is there. See now here delta x means what you can write, sir? 0.6 only, no? Delta x means dx. So once you can copy, we'll see. You can see up to here, amma. You can see in the board, right? Okay. Okay.
Right side.
Right side, amma. Up to here, okay. 1 minute, amma. Now, run.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Completed, Amma.
Yes,
Writing, sir.
Amma? Writing. Okay, okay, you can write.
Completed, sir.
Okay. See Nana here. So up to your writing. See 1/2. 6 means 1/12. Dx plus 6. Yes. So this is delta y is equal to. Dx means what you can write Nana? Delta x is equal 0.6. So dy is equal 1/12 into 0.6 plus 6. So here you can calculate these values, Nana. So what you can write, sir? Ty is equal 1/12. This I will write 6/10. Any problem? 0.6 means you can write. So here 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. So here what you can write, sir? Delta y is equal 1/20 plus 6. 1/20 means what you can write Nana here? 20. Here 0 means here also you can't do. So 0. How many times, Nana? 5 times. Yes. So here what you can write, sir? 100. So 0.05 is the approximate values. 0.05 is the approximate values. One more problem I will explain. Once you can see one more time better. See Nana, what is the problem, Amma? Delta y is equal x plus delta x minus root x. This is the every problem same formula. Here only two methods is there. So now here, for example, 49.5. For example, is asking 49.5 in this square root. Second problem on exercise 6.4. Second problem 49.5. So okay, x is equal to what you can write, sir? 49. Delta x is equal to, you can write 0.5. So x is equal to 49. Delta x is equal 0.5, you can write. Why, sir? 49 plus 0.5 means 49.5. So now here let y is equal to root x. Whatever the given problem. Okay, y is equal to root x. Both sides differentiation. So dy by dx is equal root x means what you can write, sir? 1/2 root x. Already I told dy means delta y is equal 1/2 root x into delta x. what you can find out, sir, here dy means delta y. So delta y means 1 by 2. Root x means what you can read, sir? 49 into delta x means what you can read, sir? 0.5. So delta y is equal to what you can read, sir? 2 into 7 into 0.5. So delta y is equal 0.5 by 14. This is you can do division method. Okay, you can do division method means 5 by 10 means 140. Okay, so that is you can do calculation. So now here delta y is equal 5 by 140. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, remaining 40, 5 8 is means delta y is equal to 1 by 28. This you can see in an approximate values. Long division method you can do that one. So already you know formula delta y is equal x plus delta x minus root x. So delta y means what is the 128 and approximate values. Here also 0. Here also 0 means 0.28. How many times, Nana? 4 times.
3 times.
3 times. Yes, super done. 24, 6 plus 2, 8. Yes, 3 times means 84 will come. 84 means remaining what, Nana? 16. Yes. 16 means here also again will go. You can't go. 28. 28 how many times, Amma? Approximate values 160 means 5 times. 28 into 5. 8 5 is 40. 5 2 is 10 plus 4. 140 means 5 28. Yes. 5 times 140. So again 20. Again. So approximate values you can take 0.35. So you can take approximate value 0.36. Okay. Going means approximate value you can take. No need exactly value. So delta y is equal 0.36 approximate values. So now what is the formula, Nana, here? Delta y is equal x plus delta x minus root x. Delta y means what you can write, sir? 0.36. X means what you can write, sir? Exactly square root value means 49 plus delta x means after exactly root value after decimal is there, no? That you can write, that is 0.5. Means if you add these two same, what is the problem is given, that problem only will come. So next minus 49. So now here what can write, sir? 49.5. This is equal to will come here means 0.36 plus 49 will come here means 7. So 7.36 is the approximate values. 36 is the approximate values. Okay, no need also exactly approximate values you can write. This is the procedure. First one is the formula. Sorry, here delta y means dy, delta x means dx, delta x what's are after point here 0.5, that is the delta x. Exactly square root value 49 means 49. This is okay. Yeah, already you know differentiation. You can do differentiation. Okay, once you can copy, Nana. This
Sir,
is the x. Tell me, Nana.
Sir, why we are multiplying 1 by 2 root x into delta x, sir? Second step.
This one,
That's down, sir.
this one.
And that one.
Yes, sir. See, Nana, dy by dx. Yes, dy means delta
Yes, sir.
y, Nana. This cross multiplication means delta x only, no? Means dx only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dy is equal 1 by 2 root x into dx we can write now. This dx will come here means. Yes. So dy means what? Delta y 1 by 2 root x. Dx means what you can write, sir? Delta x. Why? Because delta
Yes,
x already you know value. So that's why you can write here.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 by 28 is 0.036 only. No?
0.036. Tell me, Nana. 1 by 28 means approximate value you can write, Nana. 0.036. Yes. Now here 0 will come. Yes, yes. Actually, 2 decimals are there now. Completed. Ma. Completed, ma.
Yes, sir.
See, Nana, one more problem. Root 25.3. Root 25.3. Here also same, Nana. X is equal 5 square. 25 only, no? X is equal 25. Delta x is equal 0.3. Delta x is equal 0.3. After same song, let y is equal root x. Let. So both sides differentiation, Nana. What you can write, sir? Dy by dx is equal root x means 1 by 2 root x. Yes. So now here what you can write, sir? Dy is equal 1 by 2 root x into dx. This dx I am writing here now. Okay, cross multiplication. Dy means what you can write, sir? Delta y. Delta y is equal dy. Delta x is equal dx. Now here delta y is equal 1 by 2 root x. X value what, Nana? 25. 25 into dx. Dx means what? Delta x 0.3. 0.3. So delta y is equal 1 by 5 into 2. 10 into 0.3 means what you can write, sir? Delta y is equal 0.3. So 0.03 you can write. So now here already you know formula. Delta y is equal x plus delta x the square root minus root x. So delta y means what you are find outing, amma? 0.03. 0.03. X value, Nana? 25 plus delta x value 0.3. So minus 25. So this value you can write here 0.03 plus 5, 25.3. Okay. So now here 25.3 is equal 5.03 is the approximate value. Okay. This is the approximate values of the method. Okay. So once you can completed this one, you can try 10th one, amma.
Question, sir.
Ma,
After this 10th question, sir.
yes, Nana. 10th one also same model. Once you can try 10th one, Nana. I will explain third one. Tenth one what you can write, 400 plus 1 you can write. Okay, x value 400, delta x value 1 you can write. One by 2 means what? Root only, no? Same problem.
repeated.
Okay. .6 nana. So 0.6 means what can write, sir? So x is equal 1 you can write amma. Why, sir? Delta x is equal 0.04 you can write. Sorry, 0.64.
0.0.
Yes, 0.64. Okay, so now here same song. Y is equal root x. That you can do, nana. Y is equal root x. Both sides differentiation. So dy by dx is equal root x means 1/2 root x. X is equal 0.64. 1 minute now. X is equal 0.64. Delta x is equal 0.44. So 44 means yes. Okay. 0.04. Okay. Now. So here same x is equal 0.64. Delta x is equal minus 0.04. Why, sir? 4 you can less means 0.6 only, no? So delta x, y is equal to root x, dy by dx is equal 1/2 root x, dy is equal 1/2 root x into dx. This is delta y 2 root x into dx. So delta y is equal 1/2 root x 0.64. Exactly approximate values, nana. Delta x minus 0.4. So delta y is equal 2 into
1 point.
yes, nana, 1 point. So minus 0.04. You can calculate this one, nana. What is the calculation, nana? One by 1.6 minus 0.04.
Minus 0.03.
04. Okay. So what is the approximate value, Ram?
Minus 0.03, sir.
Super, nana. Minus 0.03. Now you got it. This value, amma. Apply the formula. Here delta y means minus 0.03. X value 0.64. Delta x value minus 0.04 minus x value 0.64. Okay, this value can write here 0.3 plus 0.08 is equal 0.6. So 0.083, what is the value, none here?
Sir, how, sir, 0.8?
This 64, nana. 0.64. 8 square. 64 only now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That you can write.
Zero point seven seven
0.77.
sir.
Okay, Nana. Super. Okay, so this is the concept, Nana. So approximate values nearby. Use this formula. Delta y is equal to x plus delta x root of root x. Delta y means dy. Delta x means dx. Kala. Completed, right? Completed, right?
Complete.
Ayyo. Sinana 0.009 whole power 1/3. So here already you know formula, Nana. Delta y is equal to x plus delta x minus root x. This formula. So now here x is equal to, you can write 0.008. Why, sir? Here by 3 means 8 means 2 cube we can write now. So that's why delta x is equal 0.001 you can write. So already I told let y is equal, this is x nana, power what is there, 1/3, both sides differentiation. So dy by dx is equal, so d by dx of x power 1/3. So now here dy by dx is equal 1/3 x power 1/3 minus 1. Already you know formula, d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. So dy is equal 1/3 into minus 3 means minus 1/2 into dx. dy means what you can write nana, delta y 1/3 x power 1/2 into dx. So now here dy is equal 1/3, sorry, here 3 1 3 no ma, 1/3 minus 3/3 means minus 2/3. So here plus 2/3. So 1/3 into x value nana, 0.08, whole power 2/3 into dx 0.001. So now here delta y is equal 1/3 into this, what you can write number, 0.008. LCM we can find out on 2 4 means 2 cube. This cube will get cancelled. 0.02 into square. So delta y is equal 1/3 into 0.004. So delta y is equal 1/0.012. So 0.012 what you can write nana, approximate value. What you can write ra? 0 1 point will get cancelled. So dy is equal 120 you can write. So 1/120 approximate value you can check nana. 0.008 you can write. Okay. Okay, one second copy. So at a time you can write delta y is equal x plus delta x root x. So delta y means 0.08, x value 0.08 plus 0.01, delta x value root x means 0.08. So this value you can write here amma, 0.009 is equal 0.08. Here you can write whole power 1/2 now. Why? Because is given whole power 1/3 no, 1/3 can write. Here whole power 1 by 3 means what you can write, Nana? 0.02 you can write. Okay, Rao, only 2 minutes are there. So fifth one over. Remaining you can do, Nana. Next, one more model is there. We'll explain on Monday. Next coming Tuesday, full portion ra. Continuity and differentiation.
So 20 marks, sir.
Yes, Nana, 20 marks.
Okay, sir.
5 sums I will give 5 into 4. Nana. Completed, Amma.